Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject compressible fluid flow for civil services main, IFS and GATE aerospace, and we are solving the questions now. So the question number 2, based on isothermal compressibility and isentropic compressibility, calculate the isothermal compressibility and isentropic compressibility of air at pressure of 0.5 bar. Um, the formula of isothermal compressibility is minus 1 by v bracket curly v by curly p at constant velocity. So specific volume formula is RT by P. Ideal gas equation, PV is equal to RT, V is specific volume, so V is just RT by P. If we differentiate it with respect to P at constant temperature, so its differentiation will be, this thing will remain same because R is constant, P is constant, and 1 by P differentiation is minus 1 by P square. So now we can put the value of this V and this curly V by curly P. So all thing will cancel out, so we'll have 1 by P. Isothermal compressibility will be at 1 by P or 1 by 0.5 in this case, or 2 reciprocal of atmosphere. As atmosphere is unit of pressure, so the units of isothermal compressibility is inverse of units of pressure. So it will be 2 atmosphere inverse. Second part is to calculate isentropic compressibility, that is minus 1 by v curly v by curly p s. Okay. So if we can write this v as 1 by rho, then if we differentiate both sides, then it will be curly v minus curly rho by rho square. Okay. So now we can put the value of v as 1 by rho and curly v as minus rho by rho square. So as it is 1 by v here, so it will be rho. So rho square will cancel out and minus sign will also cancel out. So it will be 1 by rho by curly p at constant temperature. So now using isentropic relation, P2 by, because it is isentropic process, so we can use isentropic relation. So P2 by P1 is rho 2 by rho 1 rho gamma, or we can say in isentropic process P is equal to C rho rho gamma, where this C is your constant. So now if we differentiate it with respect to rho, keeping the entropy constant, it will be C gamma rho gamma minus 1. Okay. Or C is your P by rho gamma, so it will be P by rho gamma into gamma rho gamma minus 1. So it will be gamma P by rho. Okay. So now we can put this curly P by curly rho here. Okay. So it will be 1 by rho here, and we rho by gamma p, or it will be 1 by gamma p. Gamma is your 1.4 and p is 0.5, so it will come out as 1.4 to 857 per atmosphere. So this is the isentropic compressibility, or you can remember now for ideal gas the isentropic compressibility is 1 by gamma p, and for isothermal process it is 1 by